Hello, welcome again to A Team Cleaning. It's Mr. T here again. So this particular video, I'm going to show you how I was able to get an amazing result while cleaning a shower screen. And there are some items that I'm using and they will be controversial. Some people will say, oh, it may scratch the glass. But well, that's how I use it and it works best. And I've never scratched any glass. So be with me, watch the video, and just learn. But be in mind that when it comes to shower glass cleaning, everyone has his own way of cleaning it. Water is different. It depends on the area that you live. I'm in Perth, so the south of Perth have more better water than the north. So you will find that on the north side of Perth, there's a lot of calcium on the glass than the south side of Perth. So that is me. And the way you gotta clean those two shower screens are different. But this is how I was able to clean this particular shower screen. And this method, to me, it works. I don't know about you, but watch, have fun, learn, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.